Hello everyone, this is MaxiCom MK908 and this is the plastic box. Let's see. There are 4 parts. This box is for adapters. There are 4 buttons here. You need to push this. Yeah. Now you see the adapters. Yeah. And here, this one, accessories here. Also, you should put here. The OBD2 cables and many other cables here. And this one, this is J2534 for programming. Yeah, see here. Let's see the tablet here. This is Android-based tablet. See. So this is the main screen. Enter this menu. You will see Diagnostic options here. Settings. If you need other languages, you should enter this and choose the language that you want. I support many languages. Yeah. Here, Diagnostics, USA, European, Asia. See. And service function here. Oil reset, EPB, TPMS. See here. USA, European, Asia, and here a dust calibration function here. This is for the updates. No connection on Wi-Fi here. Resite manager. This is for the connection with this J2534, but here digital inspection MaxiScope, no connection.